fucking god. God damn, that was fast. Alright, well, me and Ryan are coming to you live from Bradenton Motorsports Park. And by live, I mean like probably 36 hours behind. But we're at the GTR World Cup. Ryan's window came in handy when he paid for our tickets to get in. But we're gonna see some really fast GTRs, and it's unfortunately I think it's the final round already.
Yeah, we're at the last round, but
or at least that's what she said
cars.
at least.
Yeah.
But we'll see what happens. Get some good shots. I'm kind of in love with this wrap on this GTR right here. This is just a really nice one. Yeah, it is a GT4.
These things are fucking sweet.
Dude, this wrap is amazing. Oh, he's got the carbon fiber, like everything. And this Porsche GT4 is really sick. There's so many GTRs here. Who would have thought there was going to be GTRs at a GTR World Cup?
Sold out shows, but I don't believe in souls. So I doubt these shows gonna leave me feeling whole. Cause I'm blowing now. I'm idolized, a role model. That'll get them to get me the moves. I'm rather spots. Sold out shows, but I don't believe in souls. So I doubt these shows gonna leave me feeling whole. Cause I'm blowing now. I'm idolized, a role model. That'll get them to get me the moves. I'm rather small. The boxes to that gold bottle. Nope, not about it. Tagging, getting off the problem that put this one at the bottom. I feel like buckets out of Nora, but like this week. Another black pedal, down right at my bucket feet. Another flower rotten up, okay, you left the sour center up in my feet. Calculator, 100,000 people standing at the reaper meter. 100,000 wanna meet you, so let me be.
I hope you guys liked all those cars in that little montage I put together. Ryan filmed most everything out of that, so you can thank Ryan for that.
I'm trying.
We're waiting here. I think we got a pretty good view. We got the cameras out, the what do you call it, staging lanes over there, and then the trees are, I'm not trees, the time billboard. I don't know what the proper name is for that, but they're over there, so I feel like we're in a pretty good spot. But it has started raining. It looks like a lot of people are leaving. I'm not really sure what that's all about, but I guess they're prepping the track for like the third time now. Hopefully this rain lets out. It's not a bad rain, but
I believe we have at least a good 5 races for the finals here, so
yeah.
they're probably gonna be the fastest cars.
Hopefully they're good. Hopefully I can film them good, not stupid. There they go, prepping the track. Not all heroes wear capes, right?
They wear those event staff shirts.
They wear those event staff shirts, yes sir. I think they might have red lighted, no times, so no good. Oh man, that guy in the right lane gapped him. Wow, impressive, that's beautiful. So I believe the reason they're racing these karts is because on that first run, the times did not show up, so I think something might be messed up. I'm not sure if that's just the track or if it was because of the rain, but I believe they're just trying to get the times to show up on the track, and there they are. So I guess we're back in business. Oh, yep, there's the right one. That's good. Only ran at 36 seconds, 46 seconds. Not bad, it's pretty quick. that guy just ran a 7.7. 181 miles an hour. That's insane. That sounds absolutely insane up there, them doing burnouts. Hopefully Ryan's getting some good footage up there.
Damn.
Oh my gosh, that's loud. Look at that. Again, 7.7, 181. These things are fast. I'm not sure what happened to this guy over here. He's over there by the wall. Might have blew something up. Might be leaking oil. Who knows? So a significant amount of time has passed since the sun is going down. You guys can probably see that. I guess the guy who broke down the last race, they're trying to clean the track a couple times, and they needed to burn off whatever fluid it was and then re-prep the track. So that's where we're at now. It's kind of been a disaster so far. I'm not sure if Ryan's still filming or not. He went to go grab a battery, but I don't know. He's been up there filming for me. (7.1) and (7.4), 203 miles an hour in the left lane, 190 in the right lane. Holy cow. Seconds flat at 210 miles an hour. Just wow, that is insane. So that was pretty anticlimactic.
Anticlimactic would be the least to say.
So I don't know. We never said it on camera. That's a nice little view over there of the sun going down.
Beautiful sunset.
Hopefully the GoPro can see me, because the GoPro sucks at low light.
Fuck you, GoPro.
Yeah.
God damn it.
Except
low light
except
settings.
don't, because I like endorse me, sponsor me, GoPro. But I don't know. Me and Ryan never said it on camera, but we both had our money on that blue GTR, and so I guess he won 7 seconds flat. That's pretty crazy.
I mean, that was the fastest GTR, so.
So I guess this finale, I mean, like, we only saw like 5 races, and because it was the final bracket, but I'd say it was pretty good, honestly. The 5 races we did see. What do you think?
I mean,
It was kind of a disaster. Let's see.
A disaster. There's a lot of
It
shit
rained.
going
It rained first. That sucked. What else did it do?
on.
Okay, after it rained,
The times didn't
the
work.
times didn't work, so they had to fix that. Took them
And
probably
somebody-
like 25 minutes to fix that.
Somebody broke on the track.
Yeah, that guy broke on the track.
And
It
then
was
somebody lost something on the track.
lost someone on the track. So 5 races took roughly 2 hours.
Something like that.
But hopefully it ended pretty cool. There's that McLaren again.
Getting the hell out of here.
I guess so. Nice little sunset though for you guys. So hopefully all that footage turned out good. Ryan was up in the very front filming. I was obviously on the stands filming. So hopefully I can put it together and it turns out decent. I'm currently running because they're redoing the race between I believe the blue car and the black car, because it was not on a Pro Tree So, oh, I'm so out of breath, but get this, and it's gonna be real fast. It was the car that went 7.0. Freaking God. 6'9", 196. He broke the sixes. God damn, that was fast. Oh my God, that thing is insane. I believe that was the black one that just went 7 seconds flat at 2:06. Man, that thing sounded insane when it crossed the finish line. Alright, so now me and Ryan are gonna race on the track barefoot. Hopefully our feet don't stick. Alright, Ryan, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah, gotcha. We're not gonna do that. That's stupid.
Wait.
What?
Not ready.
Okay, now that Ryan's ready, I can start my clip. So we're now at Westfield Mall in Brandon. We got some Chick-fil-A, and honestly the GTR World Cup, it was pretty cool. Even though we only saw the finals, it was pretty cool. I definitely say that blue GTR was the fastest. I'm not really sure what GTR was in that very last clip. I think it was the black one with the wing, but Ryan seems to think different.
The people in the crowd were saying that it was somebody else different, so I'm not 100% sure. But we saw some fast-ass cars, and I don't think I've ever seen a car run, 6.9. Like
6.9, yeah, that was crazy.
I don't think I've seen a car. No, we've seen cars go 200 miles an hour, not in the quarter.
Yeah, but thank you, Ryan. He filmed, like I said, he filmed a lot of those cinematic shots. He filmed everything up front, so like burnouts and like launches and stuff, while I was filming in the stands. So hopefully everything turns out good. Hope you guys enjoyed my coverage of the finals of GTR World Cup, because I had fun. Even though we only saw a few races, I thought it was really fun. I'm glad me and Ryan went. If you guys liked the edit, I took a bunch of photos because Ryan was mainly in charge of filming cinematic stuff. I just like taking photos, so I'm gonna throw in a lot of photos at the very end of this video. So if you stay to the end, I appreciate it. And if you want to see the photos, just keep on watching. They'll be right after I'm done babbling. But I think that's about it. I don't really have anything else to say. What about you, Ryan?
Shut your dumb face up and let them watch the race.
All right. Yeah. See you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed.